A big moment has come for me as an artist. I'm doing my first ever solo exhibition, and I'm excited to celebrate with you 10 years of working the Mischtechnik with oil and egg tempera. I'm working together with a wonderful team of friends from Power to Be, an institute for self-development, and together we want to create a very festive and beautiful exhibition opening, and there will be workshops and events during the whole 3 weeks of the exhibition. I'm envisioning a space of connection, beauty and inspiration to be shared, and it is my dream to invite my dear friend Petr Spatina, who is a real virtuoso of the glass harp, and he's creating such a beautiful space with his music, and we are transforming the seminar space into a gallery for the first time. So it needs hanging systems, lights, and also the dignified framing of my work is very important to me. And to realize this event, I've created this fundraiser, and I'm offering posters and postcards, framed canvas prints, and also originals. I'm very grateful if you feel to support the realization of this event and help the blossoming of my work, and that it can touch many more people's hearts. And I thank you.